How to log in to the Indodax app. First of all, open the app on your device. Once the app is launched, you will see the login and register buttons at the top. Tap on the login button and you will see the fields for your email address and password. Now type in the registered email address you used when creating your Indodax account. Then enter your password correctly in the given field. After that, tap on the login button to continue. If you have enabled two-factor authentication for your account, you will be prompted to enter your verification code from the Google Authenticator app or SMS, depending on your chosen security method. Enter the code carefully to complete the login process. Once verified, you will be taken to the Indodax dashboard where you can view your balance, check cryptocurrency prices, trade crypto assets, or explore different features like deposit, withdrawals, and transaction history. Now you have successfully logged into your Indodax account and ready to manage your crypto assets with ease. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more crypto tips and Indodax tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.